Hello everyone! So it's my third time here in Durban and this is my hotel room. There's microwave, mini bar, glasses, a living room, there, a bathroom. Now I'm going up to my bedroom. Make sure to lock your room. There's another TV, bed. I like this light. Hello. And another bathroom. As I mentioned earlier, it's my third time here in Durban, South Africa. And for the past 2 years, I've been requesting for this flight just to do the shark diving. For the first time I was here, I really wanted to go for the shark diving, but they told us that the weather will not be nice. But when the day came, the shark diving day, it was a sunny day. So, sayang talaga. Sana yun na yung chance ko na makapag shark diving talaga. My second flight to Durban, we didn't have enough time because we only had 17 hours layover, so that means time to sleep, time to eat, and that's it. So, for the third time, I'm here. Sabi, tomorrow is gonna be a good day for shark diving, so hopefully talaga, because right now, the time is 9:30 p.m. And I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's raining so hard. And in fact, kumikidlat pa. So, we have a wake-up call tomorrow at 5 in the morning. Sana hindi na umuulan no. Kaya, finally, matatry ko na siya. Early wake-up call tomorrow, and I have to sleep. So, good night, everyone!
And ladies, your hair needs to be in a low ponytail, please. Nothing fancy, just a low pony. Because what happens when you get into salt water, it tends to make your hair lift up. It's going to cover your face. You're not going to enjoy what you're doing, okay? And then we're going to go out and have fun, okay? You travel for about 8 to 12 kilometers out with the boat. And then you start your dive. The type of sharks you do see are dusky spinner and oceanic blacktip. Very rare occasions, we did have great white encounters, tiger sharks, whale sharks, hammerheads, bull sharks, all type of sharks. What we promise you are sharks, and that's what you're gonna see, okay? Please guys, on certain dives you get to see dolphins. Do not jump out of the boat into the water to swim with the dolphin. Okay? Alright, and then we're gonna have some fun. For those of you that want to do it outside, please remember, you need to know how to snorkel. Snorkel is the tube that comes out your mouth, right? And we make the last decision for you guys, meaning we look at the visibility of the water, the type of sharks in the water, and the number of sharks in the water before you actually go out into the water to do it, right? And no matter how good of a diver you are, you're never allowed to go alone. We send a safety diver with you, okay? In terms of pictures, you get a disc each which contains video and photos, okay? Okay.
Let's do this.
Thank you.
So I have a seal friend with me. But you know, this outfit can attract the sharks because we look like a seal and they eat seals.
Exactly.
So I don't want to go outside the cage. And it's quite cold here. Shaking. don't feel like doing it anymore.
Neither, but you know.
Okay, morning guys, welcome to sharkdiving KZN on the Durban South Coast. How are we going this morning? Woo! Beautiful conditions, some nice African rain, got sharks around us, we've had whales on our way out here. You don't get better than this. Super clean water as well. Thanks for diving, Sharkdiving KZN in Durban South Coast. How's everybody doing? Good. Oh, doing the video.
Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure.
Yeah, we're finally done and we finally did it. How's the scuba? I mean yeah. Snorkeling.
I feel sick. That was nice, but I still want to.
It's not moving. Tea time. And Wi-Fi.
Look at the shark I sent you now. You must open his mouth.
Yeah.
You see the teeth.
Bull shark.
It's their teeth. As well, it's only Emirates on it, so it's nice. And the mother, they sleep in, but every now and then they've got to come up for air. Then the mother feels me there. She starts looking at me. Looks at me nice, and I don't know what she's going to do. Then they start swimming. This all happened within 35 seconds. Then they start their swim.
You need to use the GoPro?
Yeah.
Because I bought it, but still I haven't used it yet.
They provide videos and pictures. And everyone, they did the snorkeling and I did the cage thing here.
And I'm the captain.
Yeah, he's the captain. He makes sure we're safe. And he makes sure that we are enjoying.
This photo is so beautiful.
I think it's good surfing here, but cold.
Going back to the hotel.